So ladies and gentlemen, now we can officially say that we are in Langkawi. It has been a while since we planned a visit to Asia, and there are so many beautiful countries on our bucket list. And finally, after all these pandemics and other stuff, we realized that we can just pack our bags and go to the places that we wanted to visit for many years. And we decided to visit Malaysia, and maybe a little bit of Sumatra in Indonesia, and a little bit of Singapore. When booking the main flight to Singapore, we did not realize how badly can monsoon weather affect your travel, and realized that monsoon season was not over in most of the parts of Malaysia. So we decided to reschedule city of Kuala Lumpur, change plans of visiting Sumatra for a much sunnier at that time island of Phuket in Thailand, and swap originally planned Tioman and Perhentian Islands for the northwest coast of Peninsular Malaysia. Ladies and gents, here we are on a mission. So you got this bike ride. I don't know how many miles, how many kilometers we have done so far, like 20 maybe. Just got this petrol station filled up. We're gonna drive around the island, I think, and see how it goes. This was our first stop after we rented a bike. We will try to drive up to the mountain, to the viewpoint, just on a bike. We're not gonna go a cable car today. We're just gonna drive around and see some places that we can see while on our magic scooter. It's amazing, it's amazing. I haven't done this scooter thing for a while, so it's been like many years already since last time I was riding this thing. Alright, and we didn't have to drive far. Just around the corner here is a little parking. Where are we going?
We're going to Waterfall.
I think Waterfall is a good idea now, so because of the weather. It's quite windy on the beach, but it's nice in the jungle. So it's apparently about a kilometer or 700 meters, something like that, I think. Or he said 10 minutes walk, so yeah, there must be about a kilometer walk from here. So let's explore the waterfall. And we just found out that you can secure your helmets like that. Oh goodness, so we didn't know that. So that's a good one. It's a very nice looking place here, to be honest. Very nice setup in jungle, in a forest. So I'm just thinking now, what kind of animals live here? I know in Malaysia there's plenty of everything, but I'm not sure about Langkawi. We've seen monkeys. Bless them.
Bless them, and hope that's the only one who lives there.
Well, yeah. Well, no, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other stuff here as well. But, you know and you never know. Nice. Can you hear the alarm? Someone needs to wake up.
Yeah.
Wakey, wakey. And these are the steps that you're expecting to walk. So we've done 271. So far so good. Another 367 steps to go.
Okay.
And we came to this place. Amazing. So beautiful. There are little water slides there, you can slide down like natural slides that you would have in your amusement park. There's a cable car that we don't want to go today, but we might go there tomorrow. So we'll have to come again here, maybe first thing in the morning tomorrow. Whew, so tired to climbing those stairs. It is a bit of a task. It's about 700 steps, I believe. Yeah, so we have to go down as well. We might be able to walk around and go somewhere else. I mean, not taking the same path that we took now. There's a little bridge here with a scenic view. I'm not sure. We're thinking maybe we can go for a swim or something. I'm not sure. Maybe here, maybe somewhere else. But I feel like I definitely want to go for a swim.
Yeah.
My friend, this place is paradise again. I can't believe how good this water is. So refreshing. Oh, what is she doing? Come on, Aya, you can do it. It's quite slippery there. It is. It looks like it's like a. Well, it looks like it's not slippery there, but it's like one stone, like a slide going down. And it doesn't look deep, and it actually is. I thought it's like a few centimeters here. It's like a. Well, I'm 2.5 meters, so it's like 2 meters deep here.
This is like in sauna, you know? The hot stone sauna.
Yeah. How was your slide? You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
Lazy slide, yeah?
And when I ask you to do
No.
but you say no.
Yeah. Here is some extra option for someone who wants to be a little bit more extreme and strong. So 2 hours hike to the peak of the mountains. 2 hours, I thought it's going to be more, but they calculated it as 2 hours. Me probably 5 hours. Halfway. Yeah, we're not gonna go there. We're not gonna go to the mountaintop, but we need to see waterfall. So I guess we need to come back now, go a few steps down and see the waterfall. But yeah, if you want to go into the jungle, there you go. Langkawi is open. So we got to this place, which is the actual waterfall. And to be honest with you, we went up there in first place. There was less people there, so there's a little bit more steps to walk, but you award yourself with a better view, with less people. But again, the waterfall is amazing. Look at that. What happened?
Nothing.
What?
It's funny.
It is funny. What's funny?
It's funny. There's 3 men. They are in the water. They can't go out.
Can't get out, obviously, yeah.
Because
I couldn't get out of those little puddles on the top. Time to go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go. We have a little bit of Fanta here. And still no food.
Yeah.
Are we're gonna drive for a while and then we'll eat.
Now we're going to see crocodiles. I don't like them.
And who likes them? Alright, so let's have a look where we are. Where did we start our journey today?
Here.
We started from here, from around this area, then we went around here, I guess here, we put some petrol in, went to see Waterfall, and now we are here. Yeah, so the plan is maybe we can still manage to see this, and just to see how the north coast of Langkawi looks like. And that's it for today. So I'm not sure if we'll have enough time for this area. We might leave it.
So we will go like that, and then probably for this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It depends how much time we have. You know, we could go a big loop around or a smaller one. It's lovely. It's lovely. I like it. Let's go, man. So, ladies and gents, we are on this crocodile farm. There are a few different ways how to obtain ticket, and few different types of ticket. So basically they offer just normal basic visit, and then they offer some extra pictures to be taken with the crocodile and this and that. So basically there's a lot of different prices, but it's around I think the basic price is 48 ringgit just to come in and to see these little monsters there, poor creatures. I'm pretty sure something like this, these animals are here in nature as well somewhere, so
It's crazy.
So let's watch them. Well, I'm not going to show you all of them, otherwise you get too excited. I think it's quite a big zoo. There's a lot of crocodiles here. I've never seen so many crocodiles in one place.
Yo, they're all coming now.
Yeah.
Hey, shit. Come on, bro. Be relentless. Come back. Oi, come on, man. You've got glasses, my guy. Yeah, I think they are like slightly, you know. Oi! I got it.
Now we see the little crocodiles, you can feed them there as well. But here is apparently the largest crocodile in Malaysia in captivity. They're huge. And apparently the largest crocodile was like outside in the nature, it was like 6 meters long, weighs like 1,250 kilograms, that's what they say. Jesus. That's like 2 sizes of me. Double the size, please. With your hand and shit happens, basically. There you go. Little crocodile mouth. Oh, look. You know these, yeah?
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, did you see them here?
Yeah.
Actually, I didn't. I would love to see it. Actually, how did I not see it?
It was from beginning.
All right, maybe I did see. No, this is nice. Like a flute, you know. If you're into music.
Ah, that's video.
Yeah, this is a new movie. This is new movie from two lovely people
Alright.
about a trip to Asia. Jump on.